Hey guys, I'm pulling vacuum on some lifters. I'm fixing to do a video on the Camaro. I'm going through the whole top end. It's in dire need of it. It's high mileage. I've got parts stacked all over the place. I'm putting a new cam in it and lifters. Redoing the heads, getting a little bit heavier valve spring, running the LS9 cam. So anyway, I'm pulling the air out of these lifters. I watched a video of a guy that did this. I didn't know how he did it, but I figured these mason jars, they can take pressure because well, people can with them, and they go under pressure for years. So anyway, I did this lid. As you can see, it's and what I did was cut. I just used this is what that fitting looked like. It was when it was all pieced together, and I just used a little cutter for cutting copper line. Anyway, it took a little bit longer because it's pretty thick, but anyway, I cut that off. This is junk, and then I put this on the lid on there, and I epoxied it down. I put some epoxy on it. I did that a couple of days ago, and it's good and set up real well. And then I had another line off of my AC. I had a spare line off my air conditioning equipment, and I'm just gonna hook this up, and you can see that. That's just a rotary vane vacuum pump. It's a cheap one off of Amazon. The whole kit. I bought the whole kit. Gauges, everything, and I think it was like 125 bucks or something like that. But anyway, it pulls that. I mean, it does everything I need it to do. All right, here we go. Let's get this back on this stand. I can monkey with it, hands free. Alright, let's make sure everything is... Alright, I'm going to turn the pump on. Now watch, the air should come up in this thing. Yeah, there it comes. Whoa, look at it. Look at all the air in there. Holy cow. There's a lot of air in there. Well, I don't know how long I'm going to run it, but I guess till I get most of the air out of it. It's definitely got air in it, that's for sure. But it works. That's good. I'm glad. So the air's coming out, and of course it's like anything with a vacuum, something's got to fill in, so it's filling in with oil. Wherever the air's coming out, the oil's going in. I'm just that oil is just 10W30. It's I had some on the shelf. I think I got it on clearance at Walmart. They had it on the clearance rack. Probably because it was old. But this was it. 10W30 extended performance. Who would run their oil for 20,000 miles? That's crazy. Well, it's working, guys. You get a little shake. Cool. Alright, that's it. That's how you do it. And I'll do a video when I'm putting these in the Camaro. We'll pull the Camaro down probably this next week. So anyway, remember Romans 1:16. I'm not ashamed of the gospel of Jesus Christ. I'll holler at you guys later. Bye.